Hi, I'm Grant Sewell, Senior Application Specialist at Canadian Measurement-Metrology, and I'd like to thank you for updating your software maintenance agreement with us. And I'd like to show you now how to update and program the HASP key with the new password file that you've received. This is the contents of our software maintenance agreement kit that we send out. Let's open the box and have a look inside. So inside the box there's a lovely leather binder, and inside this binder is a little kit. And in the kit we've got a USB drive, a calculator, a pen, piece of paper, and some instructions. This little USB key contains the password file that's required to update the PC-DMIS HASP Portlock. First thing you want to do is plug in the USB key that's contained inside of your software maintenance agreement package. When you plug the key in, you'll notice inside of Windows Explorer a file with an extension PWD. This is your Portlock password file. And what I want you to do is just right-click on this file, select Copy, change Explorer over to your desktop, right-click again, and select Paste. What we need to do now is change the extension on this PWD file to a .exe. We can do that by right-clicking on the file and selecting Rename. And we'll type in .exe, and we'll use the delete or backspace key to remove the PWD extension. The Windows operating system is going to display a message asking you if it's okay to change the extension. Simply select Yes to this prompt. At this stage, you'll want to make sure that your PC-DMIS HASP lock is plugged into your workstation. We can now go ahead and double-click on the EXE. The programmer will display this prompt. Do you wish to program the lock now? We're going to select Yes. It will take 10 seconds or so for the programmer to complete. At that time, a success prompt will be displayed on your screen. Hi, I'm Grant Sewell, Senior Application Specialist at Canadian Measurement-Metrology, and right now I want to show you the command syntax and some editing inside of our PC-DMIS part program. You'll notice on the left-hand side of our screen we have the summary mode window. We can switch back and forth between the summary mode view of our part program and the command mode view of our part program by selecting View, and at the bottom placing a check next to Command Mode. You will notice that it's the same part program, however we're now viewing the full command syntax of our part program. If I wish to edit any of these commands, I simply place my cursor on the command and I can right-click and select Edit, or use the shortcut key of F9. When I do that, the dialog that was used to create the command appears, and I can make changes to the nominals and the number of hits and the feature name inside of this command dialog. Let's now regenerate this plane so that instead of measuring it with 4 hits, I measure it with 6 hits. I'll type in 6, and I'll change the plane's name as well to Plane A, and I'll select OK. And PC-DMIS now regenerates that command with the new number of hits using the new name.